In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Convertkit pop-up to website. By the end, you'll have a polished modal pop-up ready to capture subscribers on your site using Convertkit's Kit interface. First, head to your Kit dashboard and open the Grow section. From there, choose Landing Pages and Forms, then select Create New. Pick Form as the type, and when asked for a format, choose Modal. You'll see a gallery of templates. Browse until you find one that fits your brand and content, then click. Choose to open it in the editor. Now customize your pop-up. Update the headline so it clearly communicates your offer, add a short description that explains the benefit, and keep form fields to the essentials to reduce friction. Adjust colors, fonts, and images to match your branding, and make sure the call to action button text is specific and action-oriented. Use the preview to confirm everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. Next, open Settings and go to the General tab. Decide what happens after someone subscribes. You can show a success message directly in the modal or redirect to an external page, such as a thank you or download page. Choose success message for a quick, in-place confirmation, or redirect if you need to deliver a lead magnet or track conversions on a dedicated page. Move to display options to control when the modal appears. You can trigger it on exit intent, which detects when a visitor is about to leave. After a specific scroll percentage, ideal for surfacing the offer once they've engaged with your content, or after a set time on page. Pick one primary trigger to avoid pop-up fatigue. Common choices are exit intent on desktop and a short delay or scroll trigger on mobile. You can copy the embed code from the editor, and after you click Save and Publish, you'll also see an embed option. Paste the script on your website where your global scripts live, commonly in the header or just before the closing body tag, so it loads across the pages you want. Specify which devices should see the modal, tailoring visibility for desktop, tablet, and mobile as needed. Then set how often visitors should see it to balance visibility with user experience. For example, you might limit it to once per session or once every few days. Click Save, then Save and Publish to finalize. Once published, embed the code on your site and refresh. If you don't see it right away, clear cache or test in a private window. That's it, your Convertkit modal pop-up is live and ready to grow your list.